Hello amigas, welcome back to my channel. My name is Skylar. If you are new here, hello, thank you so much for tuning in. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for returning. And if you're from TikTok, hello, here for the longer videos, I see you. But today we're going to be doing an everyday makeup look, very much needed updated everyday makeup look. Nothing too dramatic, but also I wanted to show you guys some PR that I got in the mail from Valentino. I was in their PR list, which is amazing. Just to think back to when I first initially started this channel, I wasn't really in the content creation world, and I still feel like I have a lot to learn, a lot to discover, but to even like think that I'm getting PR now is just so amazing, and I'm super grateful for it. Especially if you've been working so hard to get PR, you just kind of like are more grateful for the things that you receive, you know, you get me. But I wanted to show you guys the PR that I got. So yeah, let me show you guys. At first when I received the package, I was like, girl, this is heavy. Why is it so heavy? So they sent this card, the Valentino Beauty Spike Valentino Buttery Matte Lip Color, perfect for fall. Like look at those colors. Hello, I love it. And we're gonna use one of the lip colors in this video. I haven't really, if you hear anything in the background, it's the washer. I have some clothes washing, but I haven't really used matte lipstick in a while, so it's gonna be different. At first I was like, why is it a pyramid? But it's not a pyramid, it's a spike. Hello, look how beautiful she looks. So I'm really gonna go crazy with these two colors. This one is Spike a Pose, and then Couture in the Streets. I freaking love it. So shout out to Valentino for this PR package. I'm so freaking excited and so incredibly grateful. So let's get right into our makeup. So I already prepped my face. I did a cleanse with the Panoxyl facial cleanser is what I use on my face in the shower, and then I get out. I used a Versed like morning, I don't know, like kind of exfoliant thing, and then I used a moisturizer. So I'll put everything that I used on my face on the screen because right now I'm just drawing a blank for no reason. So I always start off with my brows. I get a lot of questions on what I use on my brows, and I use this Got2b glue. I broke the top so it dries out, but you just gotta give it a little squeeze. And that's literally all I use is on my eyebrows. Got2b. I'm waiting to finish the entire tube, that way I can buy something different that I've been eyeing, and we'll see how that goes. But for now I want to make sure I finish this tube, and it's been working out perfectly fine. So I literally comb my brow until it's starting to get like a drier, thicker consistency. And then this is what people talk about like on my TikTok videos about it clumping up and like the residue. But you literally just like take it off with your pinky, and it's gonna be gross. But I just wipe it off on my makeup towel, and that's it. I just make sure that all of the extra residue from the glue is off of my forehead, because once you put your primer and your foundation, it's literally gonna look crazy. Trust me, I've been there. But this is how my eyebrow is looking. I just do a little bit of touches, but she looks pretty. I like it. Okay, now that I have my brows done and I'm okay with how they look, I'm moving on to the Hydro Grip Primer by Milk Makeup. But this is more like a gel consistency, and I like it. I really do like it. It doesn't feel like heavy. I hate when my face feels like heavy and cakey, you know? Alright, our primer is done and ready for foundation. The foundation that I've been really loving is by IT Cosmetics. I'll put it here on the screen. I've been really liking it. It's this matte foundation just because my skin tends to get oily, and I just kind of want to transition into a matte. As you guys can see, we're going to use our matte lipsticks today, so I just been really liking the matte feel. I let my foundation sit for a while because my SD card ran out of storage, so I quickly took it out and what's it called, like transfer the footage to my computer. I do have to get another SD card. I'm so used to like short form content, so I have to get used to this longer videos. But anyways, the foundation that I put on was a little bit pink and a little bit on the lighter side, but once I guess it oxidized, it looks much better. It looks like my perfect complexion. Like this looks so nice by itself. I am gonna go in with concealer. I do have to re-up on the elf concealer like real soon, like today or tomorrow, because she is literally out. I know you guys can see all the way in there, but I put this under my eyebrows and of course under my eyes, a little bit on my chin, just to kind of brighten up certain areas of my face. Let me blend out my eyebrows first. This kind of just gives it more of a sharp shape. Does that make sense? I don't always do concealer under my eyebrows. It just depends on timing and like how well I'm managing my time with doing my makeup. Yeah, so. But I just use this angled brush to conceal under my brows. Nothing too crazy. I try to stay right underneath it because remember, your eyebrows are going to be hard. They're glued on down here, so I try to stay underneath it because if you get lost in the actual hair itself, the glue will like grasp onto it and it's unblendable. So yeah, just careful on that. Okay, now that I blended out the concealer under my eyebrows, I can go in with some concealer under these eyes because I honestly don't have bags, but I do have, what do you call it, circles. They're just, what are they called, hereditary? I think that's what they're called. Like it's in the family type of thing. I sleep very well, I take care of my skin, I drink a lot of water, but I just have a little bit of circles, but nothing to worry about. You know, that's just normal things. I've been really liking the YSL Make Me Blush liquid blush. This one is in the number 37, and then this one is in the number 66. Very beautiful colors, so pink and vibrant. And then this one's more like fall color, I feel like a mauve. Very nice. So I think I'm gonna go in with this. That's not what it's called, but I'm gonna call it like a mauve color. But I really like this. All right, now that the blush is on, I am gonna blend it a little bit more, but I'm gonna blend my concealer first. Okay, the concealer is blended out with the beauty blender. I've been really liking the kind of white under eye look, especially because how I told you guys, like I have a little bit of a darker circle, so I've been really liking the bright under eye. And I use the Wet n Wild 5-in-1 Essence Primer and Finish Powder. This is how it looks. It is very affordable, and this is my second time purchasing it because I hit pan, like literally pan last time, and I was freaking out when I didn't have any more. But I gotta wash my little puffs, but these little puffs I found on Amazon as well, and I just washed them and they come out brand new. Okay, now that I blended that out, we're gonna go in with some bronzer. I use this angled brush by Ducare. If you guys are looking for good brushes on a budget, I definitely recommend their brand. Again, not sponsored at all. I'm gonna use this YSL All Hours Hyper Bronze. I love it. As you guys can tell, she is very much used, so we're gonna go in with her. All right, we got our bronzer on. Now I'm gonna put some face powder on. This is the Beauty Creations Bi-Filter in Honey Me Loose Setting Powder. It's my first time trying it and I like it. I don't have anything really bad to say about it, but it is kind of yellow compared, because I can't really look at the shade in store. Like the packaging really covers up almost the entire products, which I really don't like, but honestly I would buy again. I think there's better things out there, but for now I'm gonna go ahead and finish this one. Like I said, it's not too bad. I'm gonna use the same little bounty triangle. What did I call these little puffs? And then just kind of carve out the bronzer. Okay, I know we kind of left the eyelids by itself, but we're gonna go in with a eyeshadow brush and the same exact bronzer that we used for our cheeks. I'm just gonna bronze up my eyelids, nothing too much, more on the crease of my eyelid, and then we're gonna do some inner corner, bright inner corner. I love these colors. I just been gravitating towards all of these colors, but we're gonna use this little glittery shadow right here for our inner corner. So pretty. So my face is feeling kind of dry now, so towards the end of my makeup I end up putting some setting spray. I've been really loving this e.l.f. Stay All Night Microfine Setting Spray. Again, very affordable. I love this stuff, and it says only do a few sprays, but no baby, I do like 10 sprays. I just love the feeling of it, like feeling like refreshed, you know. Now onto the eyelashes. Now the other day I broke my eyelash curler on live and I have yet to buy a new one, but now that I'm out of concealer completely, I need to go get myself an eyelash curler and concealer. So we're just gonna have to do with what it do because we don't have an eyelash curler. So we're just gonna put some eyelashes on and try to blend it as best as possible. So the lashes that I use are most likely always going to be from Travilash on Instagram. She has the most beautiful lashes, fluffy lashes. She has short, long, dramatic lashes. I like kind of like a medium length to like a fluffy medium length, not too long and not too short. But the ones I've been really loving are, let's see, I put them in this little container that I got for my birthday, the Lashaholic, if I reuse them. That way it can have a spot. The lashes that I'm using are in style BF03 by Travilash. This is her little packaging, super cute. I try my best to take care of them. They're really good quality and they don't fall apart easily, so I like that. This is the lash glue that I use, the duo glue. I'm gonna stick by this glue for my whole entire life. The invisible duo glue just never goes wrong. I used to do the black one, but that's when I used to do super thick eyeliner. I kind of want to get back into doing eyeliner, but I just don't know. Like, I just love a little natural lash moment. People think that these are strip lashes, so anywho, I'm gonna put the lashes on and I'll show you guys the finished product. I'm gonna put on some mascara. This is the YSL mascara in Lash Clash, just a super black one, but just to make sure my natural lashes and the strip lash doesn't look crazy. I put a little bit of brown eyeshadow at the bottom, and then I've really been loving brown mascara on my bottom lashes, so a little bit of that. The lip liner that I decided to put on was the Moira Signature Lip Pencil in Sandy Brown, and I really like this color. I don't know what color I want to use, either Spike a Pose or Couture in the Streets. Either this one or this one. I don't know. I really don't know. I think I want to do, no, let's do this one, Spike a Pose. Color is, okay, this is gonna be interesting because I always stick to like a brown liner and some gloss, so I want to break her. This color is so nice. I love it. It was so smooth and it doesn't feel like chalky. You know those matte lipsticks or matte like lip what are they called, the lip creams that they come on smooth but then they end up like all chalky. This literally feels so nice, almost like a chapstick but very pigmented. So just a little bit more setting spray. Okay, guys, this is the final look. I give the lip color a 10 out of 10. I don't know, you guys let me know in the comments of what you guys think. Of course, this is my everyday look except the bold lip, but I wouldn't be mad about it. I don't know. You guys let me know what you think, and I will see you guys in the next video.